Most people think weakness is loud. They imagine failure, laziness, or giving up in a dramatic way. But real weakness is quiet. It hides behind habits that feel normal. It hides behind comfort, and it hides behind distractions that everyone else calls fun or relaxation. Weakness doesn't announce itself. It creeps into life slowly, like water filling a broken bucket. And before you realize it, your life has been shaped by choices you never questioned. Here's the first truth most people avoid. You don't fail in one moment. You fail in repeated small decisions. You choose comfort over effort, distraction over focus, validation over discipline. And every time you make that choice, your mind learns something dangerous. It learns that resistance is optional, that effort is negotiable, that discipline can wait indefinitely. Let's talk about mornings. Notice how most people start their day. They wake up, reach for their phone, scroll through notifications, messages, and social media. Before their feet even touch the floor, their mind is fragmented. No silence, no intention, no control. And then they wonder why they feel empty and anxious before the day even begins. Here's the truth. A mind that never rests, never focuses, and never faces silence will always feel weak. Strong people do not have stronger emotions. They have stronger control. They don't wait for motivation. They act while tired, uncertain, and uncomfortable. Weak people ask, "How do I feel?" Strong people ask, "What needs to be done?" One question changes everything. Motivation is not rare. Discipline is. Anyone can feel motivated after a quote, video, or speech, but when the excitement fades, discipline remains or exposes weakness. The moment things get boring, the moment progress slows, the moment no one is watching, that's when discipline shows up or doesn't. Most people chase results without respecting the process. They want confidence without discomfort, success without sacrifice, respect without effort. And deep down, they know it's impossible. That's why they feel frustrated. That's why life feels like it's happening to them instead of because of them. Now let's talk about validation. Validation is one of the sneakiest traps. The need to be seen, the need to be liked, the need to be acknowledged. When you rely on validation, you hand control of your emotions to other people. Your confidence rises when they approve, collapses when they don't. That is not strength. That is dependency. Strong people build quietly. They don't announce moves. They let results speak. Silence is not empty. Silence is where clarity forms. Silence is where discipline grows. Silence is where weak habits are revealed. Most people avoid silence. It forces them to confront truth. Truth is uncomfortable. You are not lazy. You are distracted. You are not tired. You are avoiding responsibility. And in that avoidance, weakness grows. Here's another reality most people resist. Nobody is coming to save you. No perfect opportunity, no perfect timing, no magical moment when life becomes easy. Waiting for that moment is how people waste years. Strong people move before they feel ready, because readiness is created through action, not thought. Your habits are voting every single day, voting for strength or voting for weakness. Every skipped workout, every promise broken to yourself, every distraction chosen over focus, those votes accumulate, and one day you wake up living the result. Let's dive deeper into comfort. Comfort is seductive. It whispers, "You deserve this break. You'll start tomorrow. You're fine as you are." It lulls the mind to stillness. It hides the slow drain of wasted potential. Strong people understand this. They know comfort is temporary, strength is permanent, and permanent is built by daily struggle. Discipline builds confidence, confidence builds momentum, momentum builds power. Power is not aggression, it is mastery over yourself. Power comes from consistency, not intensity. You don't need to change your life overnight. You need to stop lying to yourself daily. Here's another hidden reason most people stay weak. They fear discomfort more than failure. Failure is external, discomfort is internal. They fear pain, boredom, and isolation. Yet strength is forged in exact these conditions. No pain, no discipline, no growth. Let's be real, your mind is easily manipulated. Social media, entertainment, notifications, constant noise all train your brain to be weak. Every like, every comment, every dopamine hit is a vote for distraction. Every time you choose distraction over focus, you teach yourself weakness. Here's how to break free. Silence every morning. No phone, no social media, no noise. One hard action first. Train, read, meditate, write. Daily reflection. Identify where you wasted energy. Eliminate low-value distractions. TV, social media, gossip. Build small wins. Momentum compounds. Do this consistently, and weakness cannot survive. Strength is simple, but not easy. It starts with awareness. I am choosing weakness. Then action. I will choose strength anyway. Then repetition. I will do it again tomorrow. No excuses. That is how ordinary people become extraordinary. Ask yourself, are you building discipline or feeding distraction? Are you embracing silence or noise? Are you becoming stronger or just more comfortable? Because comfort feels good now, but it costs you later. Strength feels hard now, but it pays you back for life. Stand up, focus, do the work, and become someone your excuses can no longer control.